Okay, in this video we're going to show you how to perform some validation on one of the tables, in this case the reservations table, and I'm just going to pop that into design view. And one of the things we need to know that when we're entering information into a reservations table is that the date that the reservation is for is actually on the same day or after the date that the table was booked. So in other words, a customer can't phone up on a Wednesday and try and book a table for the day before, the Tuesday. And the way in which we do this is to apply a validation rule to the table. And the way we're going to do this is to pop up the properties box here, and we can see there's an option here to enter a validation rule, the rule that we want to follow when we're entering the data. And if we click into that box here, there's two ways of doing this. One is to actually enter the rule yourself manually, if you know what it's going to be, or the second way is to use a small wizard called the expression builder, which allows you to build, as its name suggests, an expression in here to match up for that validation. And in this case what we want to say is that the reservation date for the table has to be after or the same as the date that was booked. That's very easy. Just double click on reservation date, enter greater than or equals to in the top there, and then date booked. So that's our validation rule there. The reservation date must be after or on the date that the booking was made. Click on OK, and underneath here we can enter some text which is going to appear in a customized error message box on the screen if we break that validation rule. I'm just going to choose something very simple like reservation date must be after the booking date, like that. And you can put in what you like there, keep it nice and friendly. Close that one down and save the table. I'm going to get a couple of messages popping up here just saying that, if there's already data in the table, there could be some problems here because it will have to delete any data that doesn't meet the validation rule. Just keep clicking on yeses all the way down here and that'll keep us going. Bring up the table in view mode, and you can see here we've got a customer, Aaron, that's phoned up to make the booking on the 14th of the 12th, and what we're going to do is to enter a reservation date in here, and I'm going to break that rule by saying we're going to have the table for the 13th of the 12th 2008, like that, and then go and click off there, and up pops our little message to say the reservation date must be after the booking date. So that's how we can validate two dates.